Hello, this is Amber Wood, and welcome to my video. Jingle, jingle, jingle. This is the look we are trying today. I found this on Instagram, and I thought I would give it a try. I added a couple little extra things, but basically we got a little Rudolf situation going on. So if you'd like to see how to do this look, please stay tuned and watch how it's done. I have a cold. What do y'all think? I think I did an okay job. I could probably do better, but it's super quick, you know? These antler eyeliners, I probably can emphasize that a little bit, but I don't have like a liquid brown eyeliner unless I get into some pomade, which I could probably do a little bit of that. Let me just give a little hit. I have this Eylure pomade. Cute. Like, I don't know what else I can do. Oh, let me do some eyelashes. Alright you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. It's a cute little quick reindeer look. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, make sure you subscribe down below, give me a like, and have a great day. Merry Christmas! Bye! I sound like an idiot. Oh god, I'm in trouble. The garage door is opening, that means I am late. Just trying to add glitter or everybody. That's all I can do. I look like I hurt myself or I look really sick. I'm not sure how this looks. What do y'all think? I don't know. I think I'm done. That's all I can do. You know, you do what you can do. Let's try to be cute. We're going to a golf cart parade, like a little Christmas shindig. So I've got my Christmas shirt on. I'm freaking merry. Come on now. I got this at the Nutcracker Market, which you can watch that video right here. Boop, boop. Check that out. You guys, this is a fun look. I think I did okay. People are going to make fun of me though. They usually do. That's alright. That's all I can do. I am what I am.